what we got going here is just a large configuration of a bunch of scrap chunks of foam. And as you can see, using great stuff, gaps and cracks, seal and seal spray foam, and we just placed all those pieces together and pinned them down with some 16-inch screw, 16 penny screws, and then started filling the gaps up with the spray foam. We'll let this set for 24 hours or so, and I'll come back and spray all these cracks again until it's filled. Then I'll carve this conglomeration into a fake rock prop. Here's another one we got glued together. This is all just scrap foam glued together from the sculptures that we're building. These will all be obstacles and props alongside the miniature golf course.